Young people need to have a power of attorney even as young as 18 years old. At that point, they're considered legal adults. And as a legal adult, if something happens to them and they don't have a power of attorney, it would typically force their loved ones, usually their parents, to go to court and get a conservatorship or a guardianship in place. That process can be very stressful and extremely expensive for what it is. Typical guardianship conservatorship takes at least 30 days to get a temporary appointment, and the average cost of those proceedings is about $10,000. In comparison to power of attorney, the firm does most of those as fixed fees as part of our package estate planning deal. Very inexpensive, and again, it can save you a lot of stress if you need to make a decision at the hospital or even a financial decision related to college. A typical situation for a young person needing a power of attorney is usually either a medical emergency or if they get into an accident, like a car accident. In that situation, they can be rendered incapacitated at the hospital, oftentimes in the emergency room, and the doctors will need a decision made on what is in their best interest. And typically the doctor is asking for a choice. Do you want me to save your child at any cost, or do you want me to focus on quality of life? And if you don't have a power of attorney in place, you're not going to be able to necessarily make that decision, because hospitals don't grant the same family grace that they used to, especially since the HIPAA has gone into place. One of the things that makes BKBH special is that we're not just located in one city. We have 4 different offices in Great Falls, Missoula, Helena, and Bozeman. And not only that, but we practice all over the state. I myself am originally from eastern Montana, from a little town called Circle, and I still have a lot of clients from out there. I would say the greatest number of clients I have is actually in north central Montana, what they often refer to as the Golden Triangle, because of how productive it is as an agricultural area. That area also has a very few attorneys left, and so a firm of our size can really service those clients at a higher degree than many small town attorneys.